Gamesters Plus One, and today we're doing the Diet Coke and Mentos Challenge. Evan's not going to be in this video today because we think he's too young to do it. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, I don't want to do it. Okay. Oh, my nose!
Go. Run, go. Go. Jog it.
Okay. Oh, there it goes. So, look at it! Did you spit the Mentos in the Coke?
I don't think I did.
Oh my god. Alright, so,
Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit the like button. If you want to leave a comment below on how ridiculous this was, go ahead and do that. And if you want to keep watching these kind of videos, go ahead and subscribe. And bye!